We divide 536 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 3 and it is 13. 4 times 3 is 12. On subtracting, we get 1. So again, this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 0. So 536 divided by 4 is 134. So this much for today and thanks for watching.